Explore the intricate challenges of customizing GPT models for niche industries. Learn skills to identify unique data needs, handle limited datasets, and optimize AI for specialized applications. Welcome to the world of niche AI. Did you know that over 70% of companies are now using AI in some form, but only a small fraction have tailored these technologies to fit their unique industry requirements? Today, we're diving into the fascinating challenges of fine-tuning GPT models for niche industries fields that demand specific solutions due to their unique data and requirements. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the skills to tackle these challenges and successfully adapt GPT models for your specialized needs.
To fine-tune GPT models effectively, identifying the right data is crucial. Each industry has its own set of unique data requirements. For instance, the healthcare sector may rely on patient records, while the financial industry depends on transaction data. But how do you determine which data is relevant? Start by understanding the core functions of the industry. Look for data from industry reports, white papers, and specialized databases. Tools like web scrapers and APIs can help in collecting this data. For example, a case study in the real estate sector showed that by focusing on property listings and market analysis reports, a more accurate AI model was developed.
One of the biggest hurdles in niche industries is the limited availability of data. Industries like aerospace or rare disease research often face this issue. To overcome this, consider data augmentation techniques, which involve modifying existing data to create new data points. Transfer learning, where a model trained on related data is adapted to a new task, can be incredibly effective. Additionally, synthetic data generation using AI techniques can fill gaps. Crowdsourcing, where you gather data from a large group of contributors, is another innovative solution. Each method has its own set of advantages and challenges, and selecting the right one depends on the specific needs of your industry. Model bias is a critical issue, especially in niche industries where data may not be representative. Bias can lead to unfair outcomes, such as a hiring algorithm that favors one group over another. To mitigate this, it's essential to understand the types of bias your model might encounter. Techniques such as re-weighting data, using bias detection tools, and incorporating fairness constraints during model training can help. A case study in the legal industry revealed that by using these techniques, a more balanced and impartial AI model could be created, providing fairer outcomes in legal analytics.
Data privacy is paramount, especially in industries dealing with sensitive information such as healthcare or finance. Compliance with regulations like GDPR or HIPAA is not just necessary but mandatory. Techniques such as data anonymization, where personally identifiable information is removed or obscured, play a crucial role. Tools like privacy impact assessments and compliance checkers can aid in ensuring adherence to regulations. Each industry may face specific privacy challenges, and staying informed about the latest laws and technologies is key to maintaining trust and avoiding legal repercussions.
For AI to be effective in a niche industry, it must understand and use the specific terminology of that field. This is particularly true in industries like law or medicine, where precise language is critical. Methods such as term extraction, using tools like NLP libraries, can help identify and integrate key terms into the model. Creating a domain-specific lexicon and continuously updating it ensures that the model remains relevant. Real-world applications, such as chatbots in the legal sector, have shown improved performance and user satisfaction when industry-specific terminology is correctly implemented.
Evaluating the success of an AI model in a niche industry requires customized metrics. While common metrics like accuracy or precision are useful, they might not capture the full picture. Tailored metrics, such as user satisfaction and customer service chatbots, provide a more comprehensive view. Tools like performance dashboards and analytics platforms can help track these metrics over time. A case study in the hospitality industry demonstrated that by adapting success metrics to include customer feedback, the AI model's relevance and effectiveness significantly improved. Continuous monitoring and adaptation of these metrics are crucial for sustained success.
In rapidly evolving industries, continuous learning is essential for AI models to stay relevant. However, updating models with niche data can be challenging due to limited data availability and the need for frequent retraining. Techniques such as few-shot learning, where a model is trained with minimal data, and online learning, where the model learns from new data as it arrives, can be effective. Tools like automated machine learning platforms facilitate this process. The benefits of maintaining an adaptive AI model are clear, with improved accuracy and relevance in applications ranging from personalized recommendations to dynamic pricing strategies. Nothing illustrates the power of niche fine-tuning better than real-world case studies. Let's explore a few examples. In the finance sector, a leading bank used fine-tuned GPT models to enhance fraud detection capabilities, resulting in a 30% reduction in false positives. In healthcare, A hospital implemented AI to assist in patient triage, significantly improving response times and patient outcomes. These case studies highlight the challenges faced, such as data integration and compliance, and the innovative solutions that were developed. The impact on industry performance has been profound, with increased efficiency, accuracy, and customer satisfaction.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top challenges of fine-tuning GPT for niche industries. We've explored how to identify and handle industry-specific data, overcome model bias, ensure privacy, and much more. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation are key to success. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment with your thoughts or questions. Subscribe for more insights and tutorials as we continue to explore the fascinating world of AI. Until next time, keep innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with niche AI.